not saying his sorry. I'm not saying his heart isn't in the right place, said Professor McGonagall drily. But you can't pretend he's not careless. He does tend to. What was that? A low rumbling sound has broken the silence around them. Rumbling, boom, boom. Is that the one? Boom, boom. And the twinkling light that usually shone from Dumbledore's eyes seemed to have gone out. Well, said Dumbledore finally, that's that. We have no business staying here. We may as well go and join the celebrations. Yeah, said Hagrid in a very muffled voice. I'll be taking Sirius his bike back. Good night, Professor Mc.